Welcome to a brand new video and welcome back to my channel. So this week I've got new stuff for you, and this is absolute referencing and relative referencing. So let's get into it. So what I'm showing you right now would be relative referencing. So what relative referencing means is when you formulate a formula, it changes as you try and expand it onto other cells, as you are going to see right now as I am expanding it to other cells. So now I'm going to double click into L9 and let's see the results. So yeah, as you can see, the formulas have changed and the formula is not constant. Unlike what absolute referencing does, it remains constant. Even if you expand the formula to other cells. So let's get into absolute referencing now, just to prove my nonsense. So how you do absolute referencing is that you specify a $sign onto the cell row that you want remained constant. So yeah, again, there is a trick that I might need to show you. So if you can check on the results number 20, I went on this small box, square-ish box, then I dragged it down. So what that does is, instead of you having to enter the same formula over and over again, so that small box, what it does is it combines whatever formula that you have, and it automatically then populates everything that is beneath it. So as you can see the results there, I am going to expand the formula again to your right, and this is again, let's see how my nonsense is trying to make sense. So yeah, as you can see, column H remains constant every time, and the other one remains absolute. So column H, what we would say is absolute, and the other columns are relative. Let's go and delete everything and show you another trick of an absolute referencing. So G2 is where I place the 100 number, and I will show you how this is done. So I'm multiplying G2 and H3, and I will check this small square. Did you see that? Yes. So dragging it down, it then gives you zeros. The only result that you are going to get here is the top result, because you are referencing G2 with H3. Now I am going to show you how we can solve this issue by doing an absolute referencing on all the cells. So let's see how we do it. In this instance, we equals G2, then you put the $sign in between G2 that references the whole cell, and you multiply it by H3, which then, if you scroll down, it will multiply all those numbers there with G2 it being 100. And now, as you can see, expanding to the right gives you null values, and that again explains how absolute and relative referencing works. So having to double click on the column I, you will be able to see the nonsense again of what I'm saying. So it's G2 times the H column. So it's G2 times the H column. So yeah, that's about it. I hope I make sense. If I don't make sense in this video, hopefully my other videos will make much more sense. Thank you very much for watching. Please do tune in next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and forward to your colleagues, your friends.